Hey, good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop and we're here at home. We're going to be doing an unboxing today, which occasionally I like to unbox things that I think are pretty cool or worthwhile or worth checking out, and that's what today's adventure is. And so I went to Walmart, good old Walmart, and they're the only ones that I know of that really stock this. It's by My Mini, and it's a series of all these little mini gadgets, little household appliances that you can buy there, and this is another one of them. I wish they came in different colors, but it came in this kind of sky blue retro type of color. So I've had this for a few weeks now, and I haven't really opened it yet, and this is what it looks like. All right. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. Pretty simple and straightforward, made out of plastic, of course, likely made in China. I wouldn't be surprised. And it's not glossy, it's more like a matte finish, if you can see. Inside, makeshift frisbee. Let's see here. So we have our stainless steel, even though it's kind of low quality, it is stainless steel on the inside, and that's where the oil goes. What I like about this is it's personalized, it's small, it's probably not good for a whole family, it's probably good for a single person, or maybe a small meal for two, but definitely not a family, because if you look at the size of the actual bowl, there it is right there. It's about 7 inches there. In diameter, it's the same, it's about 7 inches. And the actual basket for the food is quite small, 5 inches by about 2 3/4, so not quite 3 inches. So definitely single serving size for a small basket of French fries, but what we're going to be making today is a small batch of spring rolls. All right, and I have my peanut oil here, and well, I particularly like to use peanut oil because it's great for frying. It has higher temperatures, and I think tastes a little bit better. Minus if you have allergies, then don't use that. But what I really like about this unit is that the oil actually stays inside of the unit when it's in storage. So unlike other traditional methods, like on the stovetop, where you're actually taking out the oil after it's cooled off and putting it in a separate container, handle clips in, I believe. There you go, just like that. And it rests right on the side with that little clip like that before you actually immerse it into the oil like that. Alrighty, both this and the basket all rinsed out now. Nice and clean. As you see, the light's already on, and there's your temperature settings. It goes from 225 up to 375. And so I have a small bottle. It's 24 fluid ounces, which is 1.5 pints, and it fills it right to exactly the line where you need to be in between minimum and maximum. You probably can't see it there. It's right there, but it's the perfect amount. Let's turn this on. And of course, because the oil does expand as it's heated, as you can see there, that's why there's that minimum maximum line. Edgar, buddy, come here, check it out. We're trying out this new My Mini FRYER. Come here, dude. Hey, buddy, say hi to everybody. This is Edgar, everyone. He likes to hang out with me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You can't have any egg rolls, but I just wanted to have you make an appearance in today's video, today's vlog, even though it's a unboxing vlog. And I'm kind of old school. I eyeball it and it's bubbling up. It looks like it's just about ready here. So I'm gonna preload these here in my little basket. Oh, and so close too. I just realized the light turned off, which means it's up to temperature. So there you go, it's automatic. That answers that. All right, we're gonna take this basket and slowly put it right on inside.
That's what she said.
Oh, yeah. I'll be damned.
I'm starving! Please!
Okay, we're gonna try that again. I guess it wasn't quite up to temperature there, so 375 it is. We're gonna give it another couple minutes to heat back up because it didn't do anything yet. Okay, I hear it bubbling away, which sounds like it's ready now. So let's go ahead and drop the basket in. And close that up so it doesn't splash everywhere. Let's give it a few minutes and we'll check on it.
A few moments later.
Little update, the light's back on, which means it's bringing it back up to temperature. And again, it's not really boiling up or bubbling up as much as I kind of anticipated. It's going to take longer than I thought, and that just means your oil is going to pretty much just saturate your food to make it extra greasy. In preparation and anticipation of today's meal, I have this sweet Thai chili sauce from the good old Walmart, served up in this little dish straight up from Disneyland. I won't tell you how I got that, but and no, I didn't steal it. Made in France. Now, I don't want to start prejudging it already, but I'm a little disappointed so far. It doesn't seem to be frying as rapidly as I thought. It is slowly browning up there, as you can see. However, it's taking a lot longer than what I thought. And so I had a little bit higher expectations, but we'll find out shortly on how the food tastes. I guess that's all that matters, right? And well, I guess another important thing is that it doesn't really smell like oily or greasy in here in the house, which is a good thing also. I thought I'd put out a bunch of odors and everything else. I guess the top does help out. It is vented. And I probably should turn these here shortly. So I have the good old mighty chopsticks, and I'll give these kind of a quick little tumble and move around in there so that they evenly cook. They're coming up pretty nicely, not bad. But again, I have a little bit higher expectations for it to more rapidly fry at the highest temperature at 375. And I guess it's more out of style than function, because if you think about it, I just thought about it, a lot of these products that they make are cool. They're small, they're mini, but they're more for novelty. You know, they have a little pancake and waffle maker. So instead of an actual like full-size waffle maker like this, they have the little mini ones. And I guess, yeah, it's more efficient to use a full-size one. Maybe in this case, it's better to use a full-size fryer. However, you know, for the convenience of having something small, especially if you just want a few bites or a snack or a very small lunch or tiny little dinner. Maybe you made burgers on your new Blackstone griddle and you just want a little side of French fries while you're outside and kind of flipping those around. Maybe you can just put up a little batch of, you know, homemade French fries. Definitely also save a buck. But let's give this a little shot. Let's see. They're coming along nicely. They're taking a little bit longer than what I thought. All right, my friends, and I think it's about that time. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Let's lift up the top and take a look. Nice and golden brown. We're gonna lift the basket out of the fryer and let it drip for a minute or two for the excess to drip down and to cool off slightly. All right, my friends, and this is what we're dealing with. Not bad overall. I was a little skeptical, but they turned out all right. All right, let's give this a shot here. Okay, I've got the sweet Thai chili dipping sauce here. Ooh, these are definitely hot. Wow, hot like lava. Okay, so yeah, my first thoughts are, yeah, it's pretty greasy because it sat there so long and it saturated into the food. So just be sure that it's all the way up to heat and you can drop your food in. You know, overall for what it is, instead of spending, you know, $40, $60, $100 on an actual fryer, and instead of an air fryer, you actually want the experience of actually deep frying your food in oil, give it a shot. You know, for 14 bucks, it's not bad. It's not great, but not bad either. So I'd say give it a shot. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at home, giving these fried egg rolls a try in the new My Mini Deep Fryer. If you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. Do me a favor, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Pretty good.